Hi, my name is Andrew with Intelligent Design, Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Solar, and we're here today to talk about SunTrac air conditioning systems. Now, the SunTrac system is just amazing. We've been installing these for years. We've put lots and lots of them in here in Arizona, and what it's doing for homeowners is it's reducing the utility bills, it's extending the life of the system, and in many cases, it can extend the warranty. One of the really cool benefits is that a lot of homeowners, when they get it with the purchase of their air conditioning system, are not actually paying for it. The federal tax credit pays most, if not all, of the purchase price of it. So that right now there's a federal tax credit and a state tax credit here in Arizona. We can offer this amazing product that reduces the bills, and you're getting it for virtually free. It's pretty amazing. In your traditional air conditioning system, the blower is moving the inside hot air over a cold coil where it traps the heat inside the refrigerant, and then the refrigerant is brought outside to throw the heat back outside faster than it can come in from the sun. Now, you've got to make the refrigerant hotter than the outside temperature in order to throw it back outside, and that's the compressor's job. The compressor squishes the refrigerant together, raising the temperature, so now it can be thrown outside. What if we could use the sun to do the compressor's job? Now, what SunTrac does is exactly that. It uses the sun. We've got parabolic mirrors that track the sun, focuses the heat from the sun onto refrigerant pipes, and when the refrigerant now comes to the compressor, if it's a multi-stage compressor, it operates in its lowest gear, saving you a ton of money on operation. The SunTrac system is not like traditional solar where you need an entire roof, or you've got to build a carport or do it like that where you have lots and lots of panels. This is one panel for the HVAC system, and you just run a refrigerant line to it and then run the refrigerant line to the condensing unit. So it's a very simple installation, very sleek looking panel, and our homeowners absolutely love it. If you own a commercial building in Arizona, one of your #1 expenses is all of the overpaying of the utility company. You've probably got lots of air conditioning systems or a very large one, and what this is doing for commercial building owners is, with the investment, it extends the life of the air conditioner. It gives you an additional extended warranty in many cases. This can reduce the air conditioning portion of your bill by up to 50%. In most cases, the return on investment for the SunTrac being added to your HVAC on a commercial building is 2 to 3 years. At Intelligent Design, we are the #1 rated company in Southern Arizona with over 9,000 5-star customer reviews. And we're the only company that is allowed to sell the SunTrac branded equipment with the SunTrac panel. So if you're looking for this system and you want to find out more information, you got to come to us. You can find us at iDesignAC.com and 520-888-8787.